2.
Got them Hellcats wondering why them scats doing donut. 5-7s making noise while them arrows get the slide.
Business shit with y'all, boy. With the business shit, man. So look, I don't know what the title of this video gonna be, but I gotta get a video out. So this is gonna be a, oh my gosh. Oh, it's still recording. Ha! Thought my video stopped. That must be a little update. Anyway, I don't know what this video gonna be. This is gonna be a little slight little POV drive at 12 o'clock at lunch and things of that nature on the boulevard and things of that nature. Feel me? So, with that being said, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications and things. I thought that was 12 and things of that nature. And yeah. Let me let y'all hear this. Hold on. Why did it about to bounce off the off this little truck? How y'all boys been, man? What y'all boys been up to, man? I think it's been like 2 weeks. Feel me? Yeah. The rest of the car, dude still got to get wrapped. The car did get washed a tad bit, kinda. It still need to get like clean and things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. On that boy. That we gonna do. I'ma just make it pop. I gotta get a verbal tune. Cause like I just like that. Ooh. Bruh just looking all in here. So dirty, man. Why y'all keep breaking? Bruh, there ain't nobody in front of you. Then they want to ride buddy. Yeah, you go ahead and get out the way. We is going to speed limit for certain purposes and things of that nature. You know, sometimes they just be tweaking and like it be saying like 60, 70, but really it just mean like 50. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna do that right there. Is that my mother? Nope. The Catless. Y'all boys mess with the Catless? I think they pressure. Well, the CTSB, the black wing, and things of that nature. Yeah. Your boy knew that. Hey. Oh man. But yeah, I need to change my steering wheel. Like, yeah, I just gotta go ahead and change it and things of that nature, because like, yeah, I just want the other one. And I keep saying this, but I gotta go ahead and take it to the track, just because that'll be a dumb video. You know what I'm saying? Y'all give me video ideas, because I can get paid from this now. So gotta lock in and things of that nature, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, I'm tweaking. Thought it was something else I had to say. But Porsche. I want a Porsche. What type of cars y'all want, man? If y'all made it this far, drop like y'all dream car, or a car that y'all want real bad. Don't do that. Makes it 12 now, right now. That thing be farting on them boys. Farting. But alright, y'all, boy, that's gonna be the end of today's video and things of that nature. Yeah, y'all, boy, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on them post notifications and things of that nature. And with that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man.